Nicole, you're a lawyer, right? Or at least have a law degree?
I do, yes.
I never thought that I would be a doctor, but I'm feeling real Doctor Strange right now. How is this?
Same.
What am I looking at here?
So you, Tony, are in the Iguverse. Do you like it?
I'm fascinated. I'm super intrigued. I feel a little bit like Frodo Baggins, and I put a ring on, but at least somebody finally put a ring on it.
There you go.
So what is this used for, Nicole? This is really fascinating.
Yeah, so this is a tool that we use to show our customers using VR really what types of applications and areas that our products can be used in. So we can hop around a little bit, take a look. There's quite a few cool and interesting applications that we can see. We should get on over there.
Boo. I'm on your other side now. Yes, this is pretty cool. So the development helps us do what when we're playing around in this incredible, and how did you say it? The Igusverse?
The Iguverse.
Iguverse,
Yeah.
What a cool name.
It is pretty cool.
So what does this bring to the table?
So this brings to the table, it allows you to envision areas and opportunities to use various products from Igus in your applications.
That's pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and play in this world a little bit.
Yeah.
This multiverse, not multiverse, right? I wanna go to the multiverse though. I think it's a metaverse. This is super cool, guys. I can't see you, but this is super cool. Nicole, I don't know where you went. I'm just gonna walk through this metaverse for a while and play around. Is that okay with you?
Yes, absolutely. And similar to this, we also have our IgusGO app, which is a lot of fun too. Does some similar things. You can take pictures of a particular area or application and it's gonna show you exactly what you should use.
Exactly.
Exactly. Ooh, you're scaring me, Tony.